So welcome back guys. In this lesson today we're gonna do facing operation, which is milling basic operation. So first of all I wanna make sure that this lesson is for beginners. So let's get started guys. If you are new in Mastercam, first go to wireframe. My units are in inches, so go to wireframe, click on rectangle, okay, make width 5 and then height 5, anchor to center, okay, click OK, and then go to machine and then click on mill, click on default, click on expand this property menu to set up stock, click on stock setup, click all identities and then make our Z value to 2 inches, click OK, and then go to isometric view to see our stock is set up. This red dotted line shows our stock, which is 2 inches in height and 5 by 5. Click on top, go to facing, which shows quickly clean the stock from the top of a part, create even surface. So click on facing, click on this chain, go to direction reverse, click OK, then select tool, filter, select face mill, OK, select tool library, 2-inch face mill, click command facing, cut parameters one way. By this way, our facing gonna go like this way, only one way, and then ramp up back again. But here we gonna go on zigzag. It's gonna go like that way. If we go by one pass, similar, just one pass and then continue another pass. For dynamic, it's gonna move like in any way, it is not specified. So we're gonna go over here as a zigzag, click on auto angle, move between cuts should be high speed loops of 180 degree and stock should be 0. Click on depth cuts, enable depth cuts, max to 0.05, finish cut 1, keep tool down, finish step should be 0.005, only 5,000. So go to linking parameters, enable clearance, make sure all are absolute, and then make our depth to minus 0.125, and then click OK. And now you're gonna see the tool path is generated, which is facing. And now we're gonna go to click on isometric view. You see the blue line shows the facing tool path. To verify it, select all operations, click on verify selected operations, and then click on, so let's start. First pass, second pass, third pass, and now it's finished pass. This is all our facing operation, guys. If you wanna see more clearly, you can go it like that to show it again. Our facing operation, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel for more updates and hit like if you found this video useful. And there are more videos like similar to this video for beginners. Go check it out in my YouTube channel, CAD PDF. Thanks for watching, guys.